Hey, we are excited to share with you our Summer Sweet Safari Baking Kit. It is packed with wild baking that you're gonna have so much fun with. Let me show you some of the recipes. The first one is our zebra zucchini muffins, so good. The next one is our wild buffalo chicken flatbread. It's all the rave with flatbreads right now. We're gonna show you how fun they are to make. And this is our sweet safari cookies, and it's gonna be fun because we're giving you some gift bags that you can make these for your friends and family. And our elephant ears empanadas. If you've ever had empanadas, you know they do not last on the table or on your plate. So those are gonna be fun. And our baking lesson this month, it's so fun because we're teaching you some summer safety tips to make sure that you stay safe with the foods that you eat all summer long. And let me show you some of the things that are in our kit. So of course you get your wild stickers, which are fun. This is called an empanada cutter, and an empanada cutter is going to make sure that your empanadas are perfectly round so you can put the yummy stuff in there. This is your zebra cupcake liners, which are gonna be perfect for your zucchini muffins. Here's your safari cookie baking bags. And here is your buffalo squeeze bottle so that you can put your buffalo sauce in here and squeeze it on top of your flatbread. And don't forget, your info card is always there for you. And remember, you have a QR code on the back that's going to take you to all of the baking lessons. And don't forget, in your kits, you get a theme pin to wear on your apron. This month, it's a giraffe. So have fun being wild about baking and enjoy this kit.